Hello. So for our session 8 portfolio, we are supposed to make a resume, adding structural tag, adding paragraph headline, headings, including a list, adding in style styles, alignments of the elements, font selection, sizes, and color. So firstly, we're going to use W3 School's Try It editor. And what we have to do is the structure begins with HTML, then body, and also it runs with the body first and then HTML. So now to build our resume, I'm going to start with heading font style, having color blue, font as Verdana, and text align in center. And the font size is 300%. The heading is resume and closing the heading tag. This will give us the heading over there. If I'll change the color blue to red, it's gonna change to red. Let's just put that to blue and see it's gonna red. All right. And so now as a description, I'll break the line using the code BR. It's gonna give me an extra break space. And for the next heading, that is my description, I'm going to use heading 2, the size of heading 2, and the style will be green color, font will be Calibri, font size 200%, and I want it to be italic, so I'll put this code as well, I before the description and in the italic as well. So this will give me an italic heading, italic description. Okay, and I'll start a paragraph saying the details about my history and about me, where the color will be red, font size will be 15 pixel, text alignment will be justified, meaning it will just fit the space. Similarly, I'll break the line again and give next heading qualification. The color will be purple, family Arial, the font is Arial, and font size 200%. I want this to be a italic as well, so I'll put italic. Maybe I'll try underline as well for this. So I can just use under U, and if I run, it will be qualification is an underline. I can use that for any other thing as well, like for description as well. I can use that. Just go here and you and just run it. See, qualification description is on underline. And similarly, I'm using the list, unordered list for this. And list, the first list is high school, second is bachelor's. I've done that. And I'm using bold tag to make this date bold. Again, I'm closing the unordered list tag. I'm taking another break, line break, and the other one is experience. For experience, I'm using a table with style alignment left. Okay, I want it to be underlined as well. No, I don't want it to be. I think I missed underline in here, so that's why everything is underlined from the top. So I'm going to close the underline like this, just to make sure we have underline just in the areas that we need. Okay, okay, in here as well, underline. I'm just going to close all the underlines so that we don't have underlines where we do not want it. And I want underline here in experience, underline, close underline like this. Okay, so now we can see that it's the experience is underlined as well. And for this, I'm creating table row. For that, the first element is company designation and years. This one table heading are these, and since these are the table headings, they are going to be on bold. And I'm going to close the table row. The other table row is going to start with table data, which is my company name, the designation, and date of my work. And similarly, the other row is created likewise. I'm going to close the table tab. That way, it's going to know that the table is closed now. And then take another break, line break, and finally create another heading. H2 with style orange, family Georgia, font size 200, and I want that to be italic as well, and I want that to be underlined as well. Underlined. Just remember to close the uh, tag because all right, let's run this and see the contact details is underlined as well. And for this, I am going to create ordered list. List number one, mobile with number. Okay. So ordered list means number one and two, and unordered list means using these what do you call this, bullets. Okay. And in the end, I'll close the order list and close the body and HTML. And this is how you create an HTML um, code. Thank you.